I have a Predator 420cc engine that I am going to replace the cylinder head on. Can I get the torque specs for the head bolts and the procedure for setting the valves?
Hello, my name is I have been a small engine technician for 18 years and hopefully I can offer you some assistance. I see that you are looking for torque specs and valve settings. Is that correct? Okay. The valve clearance is 0.004 on the intake and 0.006 on the exhaust. I will have the torque specs for the head bolts in just a moment. 25 feet-pounds on the head bolts.
Perfect. Thank you.
https://u2.b/vosq36s_s https://u2.b/vosq36s_s Start the video at 3:20 and it will show you the procedure for valve adjustments.
Thanks for the help, man.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.